I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use the Bloom eyebrow trimmer for perfectly groomed brows. Before you begin, make sure your face is clean and completely dry. It's also important to fully charge your trimmer to ensure consistent power throughout the process. Select the comb attachment that best suits your desired eyebrow length, typically one of the two included sizes, for a smooth and effective trim. Now let's get to trimming. Gently pull your skin taut with one hand to create a smooth, flat surface, which helps prevent nicks and ensures an even trim. Guide the trimmer slowly against the direction of your hair growth. Remember to use short, controlled strokes, about 1/2 inch to 1 inch long, rather than long sweeping motions. This technique allows for much more precise shaping and better control over the final look. Once you've trimmed the main body of your brows, it's time for shaping. Switch to the precision head for detailed work around the edges and between your brows. Focus on trimming any longer hairs first, then refine the overall shape. After trimming, step back from the mirror and check your eyebrows in good, natural lighting. This helps you see the full effect and make any final, small adjustments for a balanced look. Proper cleaning and maintenance will extend the life of your Bloom trimmer. After each use, always turn off the device and carefully remove the comb attachment. Use the small cleaning brush, typically included with your trimmer, to gently clear any trapped hairs from the blades and the trimmer head. Finally, store your Bloom eyebrow trimmer in a clean, dry place, away from moisture, to keep it in excellent working condition for many uses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.